Welcome back. So now we are going to continue with our topic on Mixture and Alligations. I've segregated some higher difficulty level questions, some tricky questions in this concept. It doesn't require specifically any concept to be learnt. It's all about the previous concepts that we have already learned. So let's begin. In a mixture of apple, orange and mango juices are in the ratio 3:5:4. So as we always write, apple, orange, mango. They are in the ratio 3:5:4. Now what we are doing is, we are removing 12 liters of mixture is replaced by 8 liters of apple juice. So I am removing 12 liters of the mixture, which means the ratio in the remaining also would be in the ratio 3:5:4. And now I am adding 8 liters of apple to this. And in the resultant, I yet do not know the ratio. This and this, they both are same. Let us say initially also the quantity I don't know. It is X. When I am removing 12 liters, the left here is X minus 12, which means X minus 12 is the total left, in which apple is how much? 3/12, right, of X minus 12. This is the apple. And how much is orange? 5/12 of X minus 12. So in this, at this stage, the apple is 3/12 X minus 12 and orange is 5/12 X minus 12. This is actual quantity. Apple, orange. Why I am not taking mango as of now? Because I have been given one clue here that apple and orange juice in the resultant mixture becomes same. So after this stage, we added 8. So apple became 3/12 X minus 12 plus 8, and nothing changed here. And these both are same, which means it is equals to 5/12 X minus 12, right? Now I'm going to take the LCM here. So I'm going to just 12/12. So here I'm going to cancel all 12. This 3, if I'm going to take that time, 3 times X minus 12, so 5 times X minus 12 minus 3 times X minus 12 is 2 times X minus 12, which is equals to 96. This, if I can cancel, 48. X minus 12 is 48, so X becomes 48 plus 12. So initial quantity, X was initial quantity of mixture, that was 60 liters, and that's what we've been asked to find. Okay. 2 vessels A and B contain acid of different concentrations. The capacity of A and B are 6 and 3. We take out same quantity from both vessels and put into one another. Now concentration is same in the vessel. So in this kind of sums is a very good sum. A and B, they both have acid and water, and the concentration of both is different. We are not being given what is the concentration in each. So in this case, what I can assume is I have 100% of acid in this, 0 water in this, and I have 0 acid in this and 100 water in this. It's very safe to assume this because they are of different concentrations. The capacity of this is 6 liters and capacity of this is 3 liters. This has got 100% acid and this has got 100% water, which means in this I have 6 liters of acid because total acid here, and 0 liters of water. And I have 0 acid and I have 3 liters of water. Now what I am doing, I am taking some quantity from here and same quantity from here, and I am replacing to each of this. So let us say I took X from here. So यहाँ पर एसिड कितना बच जाएगा? 6 minus X, because X ही एसिड ही लूंगा मैं, and this X will go and sit here. This acid will go and sit here, and the same I will remove x from here, which means I will only remove water. तो यहाँ पर पानी 3 minus x बच जाएगा, and this x water that came, it will come and sit here. Now what they are saying is this concentration is equal to this concentration, which means what they are saying, 6 minus x upon x is equals to x upon 3 minus x. That's what they are saying, which means 18 minus x square minus 3x plus x square is equals to x square. That's what they are saying. X square cancel हो जाएगा. If I calculate this cross multiplied, 18 minus 3x, 18 minus 3x minus 6x plus x square equals to x square. So that's what's the equation, right? So this becomes 18 equals to 9x, which means x equals to 2. So the quantity which I'm replacing, equal quantity I'm replacing in each other is, find the quantity taken, replaced from each. That's what they've asked in the sum. And that is 2 liters. So key takeaway from this was that initially we had to assume some different concentration. So what we did, एक में पूरा 100% acid ले लिया, एक में 100% water ले लिया. And that's why we could understand this sum. Very good sum. Very good sum. 3 vessels of same capacity are 30%, 40%, 25% full of orange juice. Vessel 1, vessel 2, vessel 3. तो इसमें ऑरेंज का जूस है, सेम कैपेसिटी है. सो इसकी कैपेसिटी x है, इसकी कैपेसिटी x है, तो इसकी कैपेसिटी भी x है. In this there is orange 40% and this orange is 25%, right? So हम परसेंटेज में है तो मैं बोल लेता हूँ इसकी भी 100 लीटर्स की कैपेसिटी ले लेता हूँ, इसको भी 100 ले लेता हूँ, इसकी भी 100 ले लेता हूँ. मतलब इसमें 30 लीटर्स ऑरेंज है, 40 लीटर्स ऑरेंज है और 25 लीटर्स ऑरेंज है, राइट? दे आर फिल कंप्लीटली बाय एडिंग एप्पल जूस. तो एप्पल जूस मतलब इसको फिल किया तो इसमें 70 लीटर एप्पल डाला होगा ना. दिस इज ऑरेंज एंड दिस इज एप्पल. इसमें 60 लीटर्स एप्पल डाला होगा और इसमें 75 लीटर्स एप्पल डाला होगा. तो टोटल अभी सब में 100 हो गया. सबकी कैपेसिटी इक्वल है, सेम भर गए. नाउ दे आर ऑल मिक्स टुगेदर. तब एक दूसरे को मिक्स करेंगे तो टोटल क्वांटिटी 300 लीटर्स हो जाएगी. ऑरेंज कितना हो जाएगा, 70 प्लस ओके, नो वरीज. सो टोटल इसमें कितना हो जाएगा, ऑरेंज 30 प्लस 40 70 प्लस 2 95 ऑरेंज हो जाएगा. सो ऑरेंज is 95 and how much should be apple? Apple is 130, 205, right? So 95 liters orange है, 205 liters apple है. What is the percentage of apple juice in the mixture? तो apple juice 205 है of 300, correct? Into 100 percentage ही निकालना है. So 3, 6, 18, 25, 8 जा 24, 24 तो 10 निकला, तो 3 से 9 से चला जाएगा. तो 68.33% is the apple juice in the final quantity. It was a pretty easy sum. So with a lot of efforts I brought these videos to you. Please watch my Mixtures and Alligations videos. If you have any problems, please get in touch with me on my WhatsApp number, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.